Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Rent Please Landlord sim, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial how I found the mod which gave me unlimited gems and money, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how you can do it if you want to get this mod same as me. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what you have to do and where you have to go in order to get it also. So guys, this method I found it out, it's working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Today I decided to show you the steps with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android, but the same steps are working also for the iOS users. I already downloaded the mod on my iPhone and it works perfectly fine. Right now I'm recording with my iPhone, so I cannot show it to you, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, guys, just let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to make a tutorial also for the iOS users, okay? But as I mentioned before, the steps are the same for the both devices, so I don't think you're gonna face any problem. But anyway, for any kind of reasons you might have, you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, I'm gonna do a tutorial also for them with my iPhone, okay? So guys, I'm going to open the game real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how you can get this mod, okay? So I'm just going to ignore the update right now. As you can see, we are right over here, and I'm going to show you now immediately, for example, what this mod can do. As you can see, and you have this mod menu over here, so it says to you if you want to add the money, or you have if you want to gems and so on. For example, if you make everything enable, and now you're gonna see it what is going to happen. For example, we can go here 1 second to collect this. As you can see, I'm generating so many of the money and the gems, and I already completed all the rooms, guys. For example, I can kick out somebody, put a new recruiter. For example, as you can see, I have over here, and now every time that I buy something, the money goes up. For example, if I'm going to disable the mods over here, then they will start to spend it. So I'm going to show you right now. For example, we kick out somebody and put another one. Just pay attention to the how they change, okay? Or for example, we recruit somebody else, and for example, we can speed up as much as we can, guys, because we have a lot of gems and money, so we can use them how we want, okay? So guys, as you can see, now we can power up, okay? And then I can use again. All right, so I'm not going to say too much in the game, so I don't make the video too long. Now I'm going to show you immediately where you have to go if you want to get this mod also use. So guys, practically if you're going to do this one and you want to get this mod, just make sure you're gonna have a good connection with Wi-Fi. So it will be better if you get connected with a Wi-Fi connection, and also you have same time the mobile data active also, okay? So this is going to be helpful for any kind of reason, so the whole process that doesn't interrupt from internet connection, okay? So then all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer. You just need to type about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys immediately, and I'm going to focus it to you. Here we are. Just need to go inside of this website, and just a few seconds to get connected with the main page. And then immediately you have to go to the searching bar and just type the name of the game, and here it comes. All right, just press in the middle, press the green sign and load now. It will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process, you're gonna be able to install the mod on your game, and you're gonna be able to get this mod, and then you're gonna have the coins same as me, okay? So this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.